Good morning, everyone. Today is another day. God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. And it's been hard rain yesterday night, but today God has given us a wonderful day. And look at the sky. The sky is so beautiful today. Very gorgeous. What a beautiful sunny day today. Wow, I like it. I really like it. See? Look at that. God has been so good. So, alis na naman kami ni Afam ngayon. So, it's really good today because it's not traffic. Because today is Tuesday.
Hang on, I gotta get over here somewhere.
So look at all the traffic today. But when you go to Davao, it's not really traffic. But when you go there to Panabo, it's really traffic. Look at that. Sobrang taas ng linya.
Look, I gotta go halfway on the other lane.
Whoa, because they're putting some asphalt on the road. At gani mo Davao, pag sayo mo, kay grabe kayong traffic, taas kaayo.
What's wrong with that guy?
So today, what a beautiful day. So, punta kami ni Afam ngayon sa Davao dahil nga ay isa uli namin yung we have to replace the slicer because the slicer is not really good. Right?
It's no good.
Not good.
It doesn't work.
Seryoso kayo pero wala na dyan takapas niya. Napa siya sa SM Lanang kaganina. Gaghan ka ay nagpo-picture sa iyaha. So since dayo man ta, dili dayon ta makaadto-adto dayon og SM Lanang. Pero sige lang, it's okay. And daghan jud kay nag-admire sa iyaha. Hindi daghan jud ka ayog maano sa iyaha no kanang malingaw. Daghan pud ka ayo. Di pa pud ang mga tao nga makakita ni